Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload videos on Roblox. So you want to head over to roblox.com, sign into your account, and once you're in, all you have to do is click on create at the top. Under this creation section here, guys, or create.roblox, you can add all of your creations right here. That includes videos, images, your audio files, and so much more. And I'm going to show you. So on the left side, you click on creations. And from here, you want to go ahead and click on development items at the top here where you have these development items. And here you can upload quite a lot, right? Plugins, audio files, decals, images, videos, meshes, and so much more, right? Now you want to click on video right here. And from here, just keep in mind that before you upload your video assets, you have to ensure that it matches or follows those requirements. It can be a maximum for 4K, or let's say this 4096 by 2160. Video length is maximum 5 minutes. The file size must be 30 megabytes maximum, and the file format must be a MOV or MP4 file, and you can only upload one file at a time. So I'm going to try to find a file that actually works. You can just click on upload right here, and once you do, here you will see that you can attach your video files, and you can see another asset type that it switches to video, and that simply means that you can always switch between the different file types on anywhere you upload. But in this case, we select video. Now click on the upload button, and you want to find the file that you want to upload. So I'm going to try to find something that works. I think this one here is 17 megabytes, so this will definitely work. So I'm going to choose this as an example. And here you can see it comes up with a name. Let's leave this as is. And for example, the video description, I will just copy this and just put the same, right? As an example here. Now, once everything matches, guys, description is fine. The name of it is fine, the file format, and also the file size as well. You can go ahead and you can click on upload, right? So you upload. Keep in mind though that if you want to upload any files as well, you will need, it says upload 2000 Robux, right? So it says uploading asset type requires 2000 Robux. And of course, are you sure you want to continue? You click on that. And what's going to happen is that if you have enough Robux, it will go ahead and charge it. And of course, you'll be uploaded. If not, you will see it says insufficient funds, simply mean that I don't have enough Robux to do that. But that's all that you'll have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.